In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another row or column to a table in Google Docs. If you're working with a table and realize you need a little more space for information, Google Docs makes it very easy to insert extra rows or columns exactly where you need them. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do both so you can quickly adjust your table without starting over. Let's begin by adding a row. First, click inside the table where you want the new row to appear. This is important because Google Docs uses the cell you select to figure out the placement of the new row. So before you do anything else, make sure your cursor is in the row nearest to where you want that extra space. Once you've clicked inside the correct cell, right-click that cell. This will open a shortcut menu with several table options. From that menu, choose the row insertion option that matches what you need. If you select Insert Row above, Google Docs will place a new row directly above the row you're currently in. If you choose Insert Row below, it will add the new row directly underneath it. This gives you a quick way to expand your table while keeping your layout organized. Now let's look at how to add a column. Just like before, start by clicking inside the table. The cell you click will determine where the new column gets inserted, so take a second to select the column next to the spot where you want the new one to go. After that, right-click the cell to open the same shortcut menu. This time, look for the column insertion options. If you choose Insert Column Left, Google Docs will add a new column to the left side of the selected column. If you choose Insert Column Right, it will place a new column on the right side instead. This is especially helpful when you need to add another category, label, or section to your table without changing the rest of your document. A simple tip to keep in mind is that row and column placement always depends on the cell you've selected before right-clicking. So if the new row or column appears in the wrong place, just undo it and try again from the correct cell. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to add another row or column to a table in Google Docs quickly and easily. Thank you for watching.